Hi ladies and gentlemen, today we are taking the trending smash burger taco to a whole new level. It's going to be tasty, familiar, fast food comfort in your soul, fresh ingredients used, but just heavenly, simply heavenly. Let's go. I'm sure you know that there's a huge trend behind this smash burger taco thing. And I can understand why, for two very simple reasons. Number one, it's so easy to make. Number two, it's delicious. We make this at home a lot, me and my wife, for our kids, because this is as close as fast food can get, and it's really so easy to make. The best part is we don't have to worry about it being processed food. Everything that we're using is fresh ingredients. We're going to break it down into three parts: the meat, the sauce, and finally, the crispy stuff, my magic ingredient. Let's go. So, for the beef, we're going very simple. Seasoning, salt, freshly cracked black pepper. Now, give it a, bind it together. The salt will sort of help bind the meat together. Now, there's no fast food that's complete without French fries, let's be honest. Well, at least for me. But we're not going to do fries today, we're going to do potato crisps. Slice them thin. You want to make sure you cut them to even thickness because this is going to allow them to cook evenly. Here I have a bowl of water that we're going to season with some salt. This will prevent the potato from darkening and will also help season the potato. Set that aside, give it a mix. All right, so now we're going to start with the sauce. So it's basically almost like a Thousand Island. Yeah. So we start off with mayonnaise. It's about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm going in with about a teaspoon of mustard, a touch of whatever hot sauce that you have. Some gherkins. Get one out. Now, optional for you, you can add in an onion if you'd like. For a little bit of acidity, let's go in with a squeeze of lemon juice. Give that a good stir. Do with a little bit more mustard. All right, guys, so that's our sort of Thousand Island sauce ready to go. Woo! Pungent, got a sweet, tomatoey, rich from the mayonnaise, texture from the gherkin. That's what you want in a Thousand Island. I'm going to be starting off with the potatoes first because that will take a little while longer. First off, we're going to heat up the oil. Okay, so I've removed the potatoes from the soaking liquid and just using a kitchen towel, just squeeze out any excess liquid, but be gentle. You don't want to mush the potatoes or break them. Yeah, just get out as much moisture as you can so that, to avoid as much splattering. Okay, do a little temperature test. There we go. Once you see it starts bubbling, we're going in first batch. Look at that beautiful golden potato crisps. So now what you want to do now is to season it while it's still hot so that the salt sort of melts into the potato crisps. And this, ladies and gentlemen, make our smash beef taco take it to a whole new level. And you can see they're different, slightly different thickness to the crisp, and that's absolutely fine. That's one of the reasons why I didn't use a mandolin and I used my knife instead, because they will add to a variety of texture of potato inside the taco. All right, so now we've got our soft tacos. It's entirely up to you. You want to use a 6-inch, you can use this 8-inch, 10-inch, whichever. One thing to note is that when you're working with soft taco, to always keep it covered. Don't allow it to be exposed to wind or air because that will sort of dry up the taco shells. Okay. Grab your beef, ball it out. One. You want to get it to as far to the edge as possible, as close to the edge as possible, because mince, they will shrink. So to get that nice all the way to the edge, that way when it shrinks it doesn't fall in too much. Once your pan's nice and hot, get your oil in. And we're going in meat side down. Press it down. Because the meat is so thin, so it doesn't take very long to cook. Turn it the other side. Get some nice color on, and the first one's done. All right, once it's nice and hot, we're going in with our cheddar cheese. All right, now for some lettuce. All right, now for a drizzle of our Thousand Island sauce. So this would be your usual sort of smash burger taco, right? But imagine this. We get that here, and we take a bunch of these crispy potato crisps and just top that on there, ladies and gentlemen. This is sinful, but I'm almost certain much better than what any other fast food joints can give you at the moment. Look at that, the crunch. Can you imagine the texture that you would expect in this smashed burger taco? Oh my Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, it's done. All right, so now it's time to eat. So you imagine you've got this bite of Big Mac or a cheeseburger, but the one thing that these fast food joints can't give you is the crunch of these potato crisps, right? And my cameraman tried to take this away from me, but no, bring it back. Can never have enough of this crispy stuff. And there's no neat, polite way to do this, I guess. There's something else. I mean, you've got the beefiness, you've got the cheddar cheese. Those are profiles of simple, plain on cheeseburger, but with those potato crisps, guys. I mean, come on. Ever since I've tried, right, this burger taco, the smash burger taco thing, I've fell in love with the carb to meat ratio. You know, a brioche bun can sometimes be a bit thick, but on this, the thinness of the taco just gives eating a burger a whole new experience. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you do try it, don't forget, shout me out on Instagram, Sherson Lian, TikTok, or Facebook. Send a picture, tag me there, and let me have a look at it. Let's share the love together. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please do click the like and subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great weekend. Ciao.